Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on ghost mode on Snapchat. Firstly guys, you need to launch the application and then you need to go on your profile section. Right after that you need just to tap on the settings button on your right upper side. Then you need to scroll down and find for see my location selection on the who can section. Just click on that fifth section, and right after that, as you can see on the first side, you have ghost mode option. What you need to do, just simply go and turn on this button. Now you're gonna be able to choose a duration, for example 3 hours, 24 hours, or until turned off. I will go and choose the last one. And now guys, as you can see, we have turned on our ghost mode on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. Have a nice day guys.